So we got this here. Bus tickets. The bus terminal, I guess. Or the train, I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna wear my jacket. I'm gonna go like this. This is the view from our hotel. Got this dried fish, I guess. So we got one and sa Korea. Hirap pa tayo magamit. So we got some beer and tamago. So I added some seaweed into the tamago.
Korean version ito, maalat.
So we got some fresh seafood. So let's try the salad.
The fresh
Mackerel, fried mackerel again. I don't know what this is. Green sauce. Looks like matcha.
Super cute character. This sir, ano to, academia. Ito, dami silang parang leche plan custard. Custard nila. Only 200 yen, which is about 70 pesos. And I got this. I don't know what this is. What's here? We got, what's this? A pie. And meron din silang rice snacks. Also sushi. Yeah, that's nice. We have like different sandwiches. Ito ham and egg. And what's this? Oh, nice. Also salad.
So parang ang sarap. Strawberry milk. Ice cream, super long. So I have this sandwich with strawberry milk. Parang flat type. Very lakuma. Parang masarap ito. Vanilla ice cream with waffle. Is Tokyo banana caramel. Wow. puppy display. Look at this super cute stuffed toys. Super fluffy. Yeah. Oh my god, let's try. Look how big that is. Okay, it's a bit mushy.
Today is raw iwagaki oyster. Raw.
Finding some late night snacks. And I think I want this premium milk chocolate covered dried strawberries for only 300 baht. This one. This spicy cod roll.
So right now I'm strolling around the streets where the hotel is near. Got my coffee. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig pala. Ang suot ko lang ay ilang layers. Ito. With leather jacket. Sobrang lamig.
This is a shrine. I don't know which shrine. This is just like 3 minutes away from our hotel. And I just discovered it. Got my Kodak with me and my latte. This is a super cute yellow tree. We're here right now at the Reisen Park. Super ganda. May mga birds. Ang laki. Scary. Okay, so now we're on the way to Tenjin. So,
Subway kami guys. Yan, wala pang tao. Then I'm using this one. Mimoka card.
we're on the way to Tenjin. we got this omurice, egg with some sauce in it. Got gyoza, uchi, fried rice, ramen, and fried chicken. Okay. Now we're on our way to 2nd Street, Tenjin. So it's like 5 minutes away only. Zara!
So I got some Vivian Westwood and a bunch of stuff here. Okay. So we're gonna get this.
And then cappuccino and Americano. So this is the field and ayun yung roads. So we're inside the Korokan ruins and free lang siya. No payment needed here.
We're now walking to the Ohori Park. So I think this is the lake.
Turn left. Signs for 110 Fukuoka Urban Expressway circular route.
So I got this matcha ice cream for only 170 yen.
So I'm just eating my matcha here. Matcha ice cream. With the ducks. Super chill.
So this is the Ohori Japanese park. Wala. So we go here.
福岡タワーへお越しくださいまして誠にありがとうございます。ただいまより最上階の123メートルまで約70秒間でご案内いたします。
get this. I think this is chicken with cream sauce on top.
Kapatid. Hindi ko na kaya. Hello. So, ayun, nawala kami. Sushi. We got s'mores.
We ordered more. This is potato and this is beef. So let's try this. This is beef. Naman natin tong potato.